Hey everyone, it's Amy and we're back with another Halloween tutorial. This week is going to be a sheer spiderweb design. So here I have a clear set of nails sculpted out, and I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Perfect Black, and I'm going to mix this with some of their top coat to create a sheer black, a transparent black. And I just kind of mix it back and forth, adding more black or more clear to get the look I'm going for. And then I'm going to paint this on my ring finger as well as my pointer finger. Next, we're going to go in with Madame Glam's King's Choice. This is a black polish with scattered holographic glitter in it. It's so pretty, it gives it like a subtle glitter effect. So I'm going to paint this on the rest of my fingers. I do go back in and I do a second coat of all of the colors. Next, I'm going to take Kira Sky's Vegas Vault. This has a clear base, but it has black and chunkier holographic glitters in it, because I wanted that glitter to pop a little bit more. So I put this on top of all of my fingers with King's Choice on it. And now to do the spiderweb design, I'm going to take a long striping brush and that Madame Glam's Perfect Black. I'm just going to create that spiderweb design. And I do go back in with a detailer brush to create the smaller lines of the web. And if anyone is interested in how I did my blood drip nails on my other hand, I will leave a link in the description box down below for that video. Make sure to check it out. And on my pointer finger, I'm just doing a simple black design. I saw pictures somewhere, so if I find my inspiration picture, I'll insert it here. But I'm creating a black triangle from the cuticle going down, and I'm going to fill that in. And I'm also going to go in and outline the entire nail on the bottom with the black. And so unfortunately, I was out of frame for the majority of this nail design. Luckily, it's pretty simple. You can kind of figure out what I did. But I do apologize. I normally film doing tutorials on my other hand, but I decided to do a second tutorial with this hand, and it's a lot harder for me to stay in frame. So I do apologize about my terrible filming skills, but just bear with me that this was the only part that was missed. Now I'm going to go in and add some crystals. We'll be using my Stay Put jelly from Daily Charm, and I will be applying this with the dotting tool. So we're going to start off with that triangle we created, and I'm going to create some gems going from biggest to smallest within that triangle. And the crystals I'm going to be using is jet as well as graphite, I believe is what they're called. And then I did go in and create a little cluster in the corner of the spider web as well. And now I'm going to go in with top coat. I will be using my Madame Glam's top coat. And so here's how my nails came out. I feel like they're so cute and simple. This is a good look for someone who wants something subtle for Halloween and also prefers dark colors like black. But I think the sheer black is pretty cool as long as you're okay with seeing that transparentness. But it does give it a pretty cool look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe for more Halloween tutorials coming up this month. And we'll see you next time. Bye!